Good morning students. So today in this video we are going to see how to form interval with the help of set builder form or with the set it is given in set builder form, and how to make a set builder form with the help of interval. Both type of questions, both type of part we'll see. So first part is set builder to interval. Set builder to interval. So I'm taking one question. Suppose a set is given x such that x belongs to real number and the condition of x is greater than or equal to -2 and less than 4. One question is this. So what will be the interval for this set? What will be interval for this set? Or in next chapter when you will study, so this you will come to know that will be the range, of this particular condition, particular set. So but here it is given in the form of interval. So what will be interval? So interval must be, or directly I am writing answer that can be written as, so make sure one thing you should notice, whenever equal sign is there, whether it is with greater or less. So whenever equal sign is there, it means we have to make big bracket or close bracket. So this will be written as here equal sign, so this will be like -2 comma and this is 4, and here equal sign is not there, it means here open bracket, One more we can take, set B such that x belongs to real number and condition for x is what? Greater than -1 and less than 2. So very firstly you can say the answer will be what? Answer will be here no equal sign, open bracket, -1 comma, here equal sign 2, like this. Again if you want one more set, C is such that x belongs to real number, the condition for x is again what? -3 is equal to 3. Suppose this. So very firstly you can answer. So this will be both side equal, so both will be close bracket, -3 comma 3. So this is the way to make the interval with set builder form, and here I am showing if intervals are given, then how to write the set builder, how to write the set in the set builder form. So this will be what? Interval to set builder form. Interval to set builder. Only one, suppose I am taking -3, 2, or let it 1, and the 2 only I am taking. This will be -1 to 3. -1 to 3 only. So for the first case, first we will write, suppose this is for A. So A such that x belongs to real number. Of course real number consists negative as well as positive, everything rational, irrational, all coming in real number. So this will be how x is what? Greater than and less than, this is -3, this is 1, but here big bracket, so equal sign will be there, here equal sign will be there because of this big bracket. And for second, this is for first, okay, this one is for the first. Second, so again I am taking a set such that x belongs to real number and the condition of x again -1 and 3, and here you can see both are open bracket or both are small brackets, so no equal sign should come here. So I think so now you can form the interval, and you can with the help of interval you can make the set builder form. I think so you understand how to solve this type of questions. Thank you.